Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 19th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates. Since the 3rd of October, 2024, our system has identified Nvidia as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.52. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of nearly 20% since we first designated Nvidia as a buy candidate 34 days ago. This equates to an average return of approximately 0.58% per day since its classification as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a robust and steady upward trend in the short term, indicating the likelihood of continued growth. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of nearly 28.92% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 14.66% to 34.32%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a significant change of 183.3% over the next year, with a potential return between 137.43% and 192.94%. This corresponds to a price range between $349.05 and $430.65 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline: Nvidia's stock price ended at $147.01 on Tuesday after gaining 4.89%. The Nvidia stock price gained 4.89% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 19th of November, 2024, rising from $140.15 to $147.01. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.35%, with a day low of $140.99 and a day high of $147.13. The price has been volatile during this period, showing a 5.07% gain over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a favorable technical indicator, with a total of 11 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 219 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $32.170 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $149.76, while the lowest price was $45.01. Currently, the price stands 1.84% or $2.75 below the 52-week high of $149.76, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Nvidia's stock is experiencing significant momentum as it approaches its highly anticipated third-quarter earnings report scheduled for tomorrow. Analysts have become increasingly optimistic about Nvidia's prospects, which has propelled its share price upward by 4%. The rush to update financial models indicates a strong expectation for robust financial performance, making this an attractive buying opportunity for investors. Notably, prominent money managers are holding on to their shares, citing Nvidia's unmatched market power and monopolistic position within the artificial intelligence sector. This sentiment reflects confidence in the company's long-term growth potential. Additionally, reports suggest that concerns regarding cooling issues with Nvidia's Blackwell chip are exaggerated, alleviating some fears about production delays that could impact performance. As earnings are released, they will likely play a crucial role in shaping investor sentiment. Positive results could further enhance stock valuations in the short term, while any unforeseen challenges could introduce volatility. Overall, the upcoming earnings report is poised to be a key moment for Nvidia, potentially solidifying its position as a leader in the technology sector and driving its stock price higher in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NVDA an equal weight rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald rated NVDA as overweight, also recommending a hold. Additionally, KeyBank provided NVDA with an overweight rating, maintaining a hold action. Oppenheimer also reviewed NVDA on that day, giving it a perform rating with a hold recommendation. Lastly, Piper Sandler rated NVDA as overweight, advising a hold. Analysts have given Nvidia stock a general neutral rating. They rate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts assign the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. The Nvidia stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected around $145.11, as well as $138.33. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, and these could impact near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, November 7, 2024, with the stock having declined by 1.25% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy just 2 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a sell signal 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 46 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 34 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Analyzing support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $131.60 and $117.59. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this instance, Nvidia finds support just below today's level at $131.60. If this level is broken, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $117.59 and $116.91. This stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it might suggest that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2025 is expected on the 20th of November, 2024. Analysts are projecting consensus estimates at 74 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In the event of an upward trend, The first resistance level for Nvidia is $147.63. If you don't currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia faces its first support level at $131.60. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trading activity. On the 7th of November, 2024, Ochoa Ellen made an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 9th of October, 2024, Stevens Mark A executed an insider sale of 155,000 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of October, 2024, Stevens Mark A also sold 125,000 shares of common stock. On the 27th of September, 2024, Stevens Mark A sold 40,000 shares of common stock. On the 24th of September, 2024, Stevens Mark A sold 165,100 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 96.856. In total, insiders purchased 48,359 shares, while selling 5,882,865 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $140.92, which reflects a decline of 4.14%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal resulting from a pivot top identified 8 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that this is a favorable time to consider purchasing Nvidia stock, as there is a reasonable possibility for it to perform well in the near future. However, after evaluating the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Wednesday, the 20th of November, we anticipate that Nvidia will open lower by nearly $2, starting at $145.04. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please do not rely solely on StockInvest.us for your investment decisions. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.